Hi.
These are not any real people or influencers. I just created them using AI, and you can also create your own influencer and gain success on social media. As this is the era of influencer marketing, you can even make money with an AI-generated influencer. And in this video, I will also share the method of making money from day one with your AI-generated influencer called Fanvue, and we're doing it with 100% free AI tools. So, let's dive in. Alright, so before we touch a single AI tool, we need to talk about the foundation, and that is your AI influencer's persona. First, the name. Pick something that's easy to remember, sounds real, but has a little flair to it. Something like Zara, Nova, Luna. You know the vibe. Second, the look. How old do they appear? What's their ethnicity? Super specific here, because you're going to be typing these details into AI prompts over and over again. Third, the niche. What is your influencer going to be known for? Fitness? Fashion? Travel? Gaming? Tech? Beauty? Pick one and commit to it. Fourth, the personality. Are they mysterious? Bubbly? Inspirational? Sassy? This shapes how you write captions and what kind of content you create. And finally, the backstory. Where are they from? What do they love? What are their values? You don't need to go crazy with this, but having a simple backstory makes the character feel real and relatable to your audience. Now, and this is super important, once you've decided all of this, I want you to write it all out in one detailed paragraph. Something like, a woman in her mid-20s, slim and elegant build, shoulder-length dark brown hair with subtle caramel highlights, hazel eyes, warm olive skin, from New York City, passionate about luxury lifestyle, entrepreneurship, high-end travel, and modern business culture. She grew up in a family of small business owners in Brooklyn and built a successful personal brand by documenting her journey from side hustles to becoming a young entrepreneur. Known for her ambitious mindset, sophisticated fashion sense, and charismatic storytelling, she shares productivity tips, luxury experiences, networking insights, and behind-the-scenes glimpses of life in Manhattan. Confident, intelligent, and highly driven, she inspires her audience to pursue financial independence and personal growth while maintaining a stylish urban lifestyle. Save that paragraph somewhere. You're going to copy-paste it into almost every AI tool we use today. This is the secret to keeping your influencer looking consistent across all your content. Okay, now we're getting into the good stuff. Stage 2. Generating your images. You can use several tools or platforms to create the image. For example, ChatGPT allows you to create 5 per day for free. It's more than enough when your entire workflow is ready. Just select the image generator, enter your prompt, and then hit the send button, and GPT image will give you the image. Once the base image is ready, you can create all other images with the reference of the base image. However, I will use the Nanno Banana 2 model on Google Flow as it's free to use. Okay, this is my Google Flow dashboard. I am creating a new project. Once the project is created, go to the settings. We will create the image first, so I am selecting the image option. Now, select the aspect ratio and resolution. After that, select the number of images you want to generate. In the end, select the image model. Now, we have to enter the prompt here in this box. Let's create some prompts for our character with ChatGPT. After coming to ChatGPT, type, I want to create an influencer with this character, and then enter the character backstory, and then type again. Now can you please give me some detailed image prompts? The first prompt should be the base face image, and then create more images in different settings, and then hit the send button. GPT is generating the prompt. As requested, the very first prompt is for the base image. Copy the prompt, and then paste it into the flow prompt box and generate the image. And here it is. The image is ready, and you can see the result. It creates 2 images. Both images are really very good. Looks so realistic and perfect for a virtual influencer. Now, select the best image and create more images using Nanno Banana. To add the image as a reference, select the image and then click on Add to Prompt. Copy the prompt and paste it in the prompt box. Okay, now hit the send button to create the image. And here it is. The images are ready. Look at the result. This is looking so real. Both images look exactly like the reference image. So now we can create consistent character images without any issue. Now, let's create the next image. The process is the same. Enter the prompt, add the reference image, and then hit generate, and you will get the image like this. Now, in this method, we can create unlimited, consistent, and amazing images of our character using Nanno Banana inside Flow. Okay, so now consistent image generation is not an issue anymore. We can create as many images as possible and post on social media. But what about the video? We need high-quality reels and shorts with our character to gain success on social media. To create a free video, you can use Qwen Studio. Let me show you how. At this moment, I am on the Qwen AI homepage. I will select the video generator from here. You will be redirected to the Qwen Studio. Now, click on the plus icon from here and select Generate Video Tool. Once the tool is selected, click on the plus icon again and select one of the images generated with Nanno Banana. After that, we have to enter the prompt here in this box. I already created some prompts. I am copying the related prompt and pasting it into the prompt box, then hitting the send button. It will take some time to create the video. And here it is. The video is ready. Look at the result. It looks so real and amazing. So, now video creation is not an issue anymore. Let's create the next video. The process is the same. Upload the image, enter the prompt, and hit the generate button, and the video is ready. Look at the video. This is also amazing. Now, in this method, you can create as many videos as you want. There is another way to make more realistic and amazing videos. You can use Google Flow to create the video. I already made a video on how you can create unlimited videos using Google Flow and Veo 3.1. You can watch the video from the I button and from the description. After coming to Google Flow, select the video generation option. Select the video generation model, aspect ratio, and other settings. Add the reference image and then enter the prompt. Once done, hit the generate button. While the video is generating, you can create another video. And here it is. All the video clips are ready.
And that's why this is my favorite spot. The light is just perfect for filming. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below for more tips.
This is really amazing. So now you can create this kind of high-quality influencer video using Veo 3. Okay, so now we can create unlimited images and videos with our influencer for free. You can post them to your account to get quick attention. All right, let's talk about how you can start making money from day one. This is where Fanvue comes in. Fanvue is an AI-powered, subscription-based social platform that allows AI creators to build a profile, grow an audience, and monetize their content directly. It allows you to connect with your fans through messaging and other features. It's the only platform with AI messaging, voice notes, and analytics all in one place. To start your money-making journey with Fanvue, click on Sign Up here. Now you can create an account with your email or connect with your X, Facebook, or Google account. After creating the account, your interface will be like this one. Now click on Start Earning. Now enter your country of residency. After that, you have to verify your identity with KYC verification. Once you've completed verification, you can set up your page and set your subscription rate. The minimum rate is $4 monthly. That means if anyone subscribes to your profile, then you will be paid $4. After that, you can link your other social accounts with Fanvue. And that's it. You are now a Fanvue creator. Now you can start uploading your content and start making money with your AI influencer model. Okay, this is all about today's free AI influencer generator and making money with a free AI influencer. If you found this helpful, please drop a like on the video. It genuinely helps this channel more than you know. And subscribe if you want more content like this. All right, I'll see you in the next one. Thank you.